Well, I knew this day would come. I only had untreated 2x6s to build this table out of about 3.5 years ago, and now the two legs that have been in contact with the ground for that amount of time have rotted off. I still don't think that I have treated 2x6s to replace those legs with, so it's easy enough to replace those things. I love it that many years ago deck screws have gone to this star bit. They never slip anymore or strip out. Both ends are fairly square. This is 63 1/4. Let's go ahead and do it 31 5/8. Now we need to cut these legs down to 31 5/8. And here. I don't see so well anymore, so I have to keep stopping and blowing away the sawdust. Need to go down on this side. Always like to check my legs for being square. Most softwoods will not scrape. Let's see if this one is different. This one's not going to scrape very well either. It'd be enough to maybe catch a spark, make the first flame appear. It's got some pretty clear, straight grain on it. Let's try it. What I like the best are the shavings. Let's put up a little barrier right here. You can make a lot of shavings really fast, really easily, if you just take and shave off the last 3 or 4 inches of your batonings. And I'd like to have these about half as long. Do I have enough grip to hold these and cut them all at the same time? I don't know. I always like to show you my scrapings and my feathers. Let's ferro rod ignite it now. I was serious when I said I was going to carry both of these ferro rods until this one here is worn out and breaks. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. These flames will show up a whole lot better if I have a shade background instead of a sun background. We'll catch you on the next one.